So Tanya, tell me about your implant experience.
So I was told what was going to be done step by step. The only thing I didn't, I wasn't told is when this surgeon numbed my mouth, that was painful. But apart from that, it was pretty good. It was all done. It was like no hassle. It was really bang bang bang, get it all done. And then when a couple of days later I did come out with bruising, bad bruising, but I do bruise easily anyway, and I wasn't aware that would happen. That sort of worried me a bit, but I rang up Vicky, the receptionist, and asked if that was normal. She went and asked the question, and we were told, yeah, it was, so I felt much more comfortable after that. The only thing I can say was I didn't realise it would take so long between the grafting or the surgery and the actual real teeth to get in. I didn't realise it was going to take that long. I thought it was going to be done the same day or same week. That was my only, and that was my fault for not really asking the question. I just ignored that, thinking I was getting all excited.
I know, but it's 30 years.
Yeah.
Right. So
yeah.
What happens is that we had to graft all the way, so we had to put back bone, and bone takes a longer to heal, and you had lost a lot of bone. Because of that, we had to do it.
Yeah, and they said, yeah, and you did speak about my age and how long I had been without teeth, so it was and my age wasn't in my favour, but it ended up pretty good. The end result was pretty good. It was either you can't go ahead with it or you could, and there was no stage that you were trying to stop it. You were working out solutions on how it could be done, and it worked really well.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And that's why sometimes I say, we tell people that when you go overseas and get things done, as you said, most people think that one day or it can be done in the same day. In some instances we can do, but in most instances we like to wait, and that's the waiting game, just to make sure that everything works well, and you will have your implants for a very, very long time.
Yeah, and that's what I was thankful too. It was like 6 months later, and they looked good. I'm just stoked about it all, and the experience I had in here was, I don't hate dentistry work no more. It's more, I'm more confident with it now, and that's probably because it's the technology these days are much more advanced than what it was when I was 20, 30 years ago. So that's probably the difference with today's dentistry. But highly recommend it. I'd do it again if I'd got $20 extra $1,000.